Hi, happy holidays. It's me, Swooze, here in the paint studio at Black Dog. Unfortunately, Mike's off on a job, so you just got to settle for me here. Here is our new December palette. I called it Comfort and Joy because I hope it'll bring comfort and joy to all of you. It's comprised of one of our pre-mixed colors, I Need a Bandage, a new color, a creamy, luscious custard called Eggnog, one of my all-time favorites, Pine, which is just this gorgeous green. It's Reindeer. One of my favorite Christmas specials is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, the stop-action clay animation with burl ives, so I had to add a little reindeer. And then our navy, which was a color that Karen and I actually created to honor Mike and Robert's naval service. So there you have it, our whole Christmas palette, and I'm sure you can find one color in there or maybe two for a project over the holidays. Happy holidays. Take care.